Ano yan?
Waymo. $44.
Okay. Wait lang natin yung ano, guys. 2 minutes? 5 minutes away.
Ano?
Nearby. Ayun. Try natin
Ako nagadayo. Ay, umayin.
sakay ng ano, Waymo dito sa San Francisco. 1 minutes pa? 4 minutes. Yan ka.
Pakalat, pakaskoy. Giant
Ititalatan. Taxi, ito lang. Taxi bus, ita. Ito kaya.
Ako may makakar.
Bagtit. Maulaw ita. Ulawan benta.
Mapanda.
Handa ba yung ano?
Ang sakto ne, agpakastoy ne. Maya, sakto ito.
Ay, ito. Ang yung bus, taxi lang ito.
It's okay.
Dito ko man eh. Bangir, ije ne.
At agpakastoy de talugan ne.
Hankit one way lang met internet. Dan. Subli. Ulawin mi meta kasta pagluganan mi. Pasko sama sila yun. Yan naman 1 minute pa.
1 minute.
1 minute lang. Pumadaan tayo. Toy, Orion with Toyen. Toy. Might by Toy? Taxi cab only at all times. Yeah, madot sinaping na.
Sino?
Sika.
Uy, bagi na Ibery. Para winter ni Ibery. Tanayin. At tanayin. Oh my God.
Agpapaus kami ni, agpapaus kami aglugan. Oy, awan driver na. Butay. Oo. Oh, ayun guys. Sakay na tayo. Wait lang ah. Ba't walang tao?
Driver.
Oh, start ride.
Hello from Waymo. As we get going, just give us 1 minute to
Apo?
cover a few riding tips.
Agsao kami. Ay, urge no ready ko naman.
The key to buckle
Apo?
up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt
Ate ko sa mundo seatbelt ko.
if you're traveling with little ones.
Ako kahangamin. Nag-alarmen.
More information.
Ready.
All the driving.
Nagatartaray nga may anak ko nakaseatbelt. Oh, diba?
You may use them serious
Agbabaos kami. Waymo ride.
but our microphones are only on when you're connected to rider support. So sing your heart out. We can't hear you. You can also use the app or passenger screens to speak to a rider support agent at any time. In the rare case of an emergency, please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain in the car.
Agpapaos pa niya.
Rider
Awan
support
driver,
will
guys.
Awan driver me. Anong arod?
Finally,
Invisible ang driver natin.
Uy, ada sunroof na gaya.
Ada. Nagpaus kami. Alay ka sama.
Pigsan ta ah. Alakas ano? Apo!
Lapig sa undit pre. Lapig sa am. Apo. Nagpangit met ako ha. Next mo, next. Pop music. Awan Tagalog itag search mo? Awan Tagalog. Hello, palala. Hello.
This is what you came for.
I got to turn your
Sorry guys, ignorant kami. First time yan.
Dito lang naman sa San Francisco.
Connecting to rider support. Please wait. Connected to rider support. This call may be recorded for quality assurance.
Hello?
Hi, this is Sally with Waymo. How can I help? Callan Boulevard, South San Francisco, California, correct?
Yes, that's in Seafood City Market.
Yep. Yeah. The car will drop you off on this location.
Okay, thank you so much. It's just because my phone is dying, that's why.
Okay, it's okay. Since you have already indicated on your drop off location, the car will bring you to that location.
And it's already been paid for, right?
I'm sorry. What is it again?
It's already been paid for?
Let me double check. Yes, it is.
Okay, alright. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I mean, is there anything else that I can help you with?
No, that's gonna be it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you so much for calling, and thank you so much for using Waymo. Have a great day ahead.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Thank you. You too.
And then
Do I end this?
X.
How do I end it?
Oh, disconnected. Oh, astig.
For your safety, the doors will remain locked when we arrive. Pull the handle twice.
Pull over.
Looking for a good spot to pull over.
Oh, dito yan. Wow.
Here.
Kapunka. Kamsahamnida. Arigatou gozaimasu. Gracias. Thank you. Salamat. Agyaman kami. Agyaman kami. Ay, ito palang gaya.
When everyone has exited the call.
Ito yan. Ayun. Oh, baba. Opo, nakatulog nga din kami. Nakatulog kami sa ano. Hindi po. Ay, hindi siya nag-close. Oh. Ayan. Thank you so much. Magan. Ayun, nakaalis na. Hindi pa umalis. Ayan na. Oh, eto na yung sasakyan namin. Dine. Oh, tumalamin. Naturo ito. Oh, alam. Oh, di ba? Nanakam ala. Nakaturog kami tunig. Aman tito orayen nyo ta vlog me. Oh. Bring mo. Bring us to Fresno.
Kapan man mga